Hello everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is RJ and sa channel na to, nag-upload ako ng videos about work from home and earn from home tips. Kaya kung ikaw ay naghahanap pa rin ng client or online job up until now, please consider subscribing and click the bell icon para ma-notify ka sa mga videos natin about online jobs and side hustles using your phone, your laptop, your PC, or any other devices. And please don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends and family. So in today's video guys, maiba naman tayo. Hindi ko pa ito nagawa sa channel ko previously. Today, I invited a special guest for you guys and for us to learn more about a specific online job. Pag-uusapan natin yung pagiging bookkeeper online. Our special guest will discuss more about how we can be a bookkeeper. Ano ba yung mga task ng isang bookkeeper? Saan tayo makakuha ng clients for this specific niche? And magkano ba yung kaya natin kitain? So kung interested ka sa topic na to and kung interested ka to know more about this bookkeeping job, please stay with us and watch this up until the end for more tips from our special guest. Give a warm welcome to our featured guest for today's video, Miss Jeanette or Kaji from Kaji Vlogs. Hi Kaji, how are you?
Hello RJ, I'm fine and thank you so much sa pag-invite sa YouTube channel mo.
Can you introduce yourself sa ating mga viewers?
I'm Kaji, pero yung real name ko is Jeanette Hizele. So I'm a freelancer, a bookkeeper, executive assistant, virtual assistant. So kahit anong work talaga before, pinapasok ko, basta online work. So ngayon is nakafocus na si Kaji sa pag-freelancing, pero yung niche ko is bookkeeping. Yung pinaka-niche ko is e-commerce. So nag-help ako ng mga business owners from different parts of the world sa kanilang bookkeeping. So meron akong clients sa US, Australia, sa UK, and iba't ibang parte ng mundo. So, ngayon is mag-share din ako sa inyo ng mga tips. So, sana panoorin nyo ang video na to hanggang sa dulo.
Meron din pala siyang YouTube channel, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to her channel, Kaji Vlogs. Nagko-cover din siya ng videos about work from home, especially for bookkeeping. Kaya if you want to deep dive into this kind of job, you can feel free to watch her videos. Ayan. So, ngayon, Kaji, etong bookkeeping na to, actually, naririnig ko siya at nakikita ko siya sa mga online job posting. Pero hindi siya talaga yung like sobrang daming nag-a-apply. Kunyari for virtual assistant, customer service, chat supports, yung mga ganyan, yung mga sobrang taas ng competency na job post. Yung bookkeeping, I think, ito ay hindi siya ganun kataas na competency. Can you let us know ano ba yung bookkeeping? When we say bookkeeping, ano ba yung mga task included? Ano ba yung mga usually na ginagawa mo as a bookkeeper?
Okay, so para lang mas malinaw sa mga nanonood ng video na to, i-explain natin yung bookkeeping na parang ano lang siya merong bank statement si client. So parang meron tayong ATM, parang ganon. So ikaw as a bookkeeper, ang ginagawa mo is to record yung mga pera na pumapasok at lumalabas dun sa bank na yon. So yun yung pinaka-main task or role ng isang bookkeeper. To record yung mga credits and debits ng mga business owner pagdating sa kanilang businesses. Pag sinabing bookkeeper, nakafocus ka sa pag-record ng daily transactions ng business nila. So, pwede kang mag-record ng expenses, pwede kang mag-record ng sales or ng revenue. Siyempre, ikakalculate mo din dyan kung magkano yung kanilang income for the month or for the day. So, yun yung ginagawa ng bookkeeper. Yung task kasi doon is repetitive. Meaning, kung ano yung ginawa mo this week or this month, gagawin mo siya the following month. As in cycle siya. So, paulit-ulit.
Sobrang daming information agad dun, guys, no? Thank you, Kaji. Pwede ba to sa mga beginners or, sa mga walang experience? Kasi most of our viewers are the ones na wala pang jobs until now. And most of them ay wala ding experience. So, do you think na pwede kaya silang mag-apply as a bookkeeper?
Ang sagot ko dyan is depende. Pwede ka kasi mag-apply kahit wala kang experience. Pero kung ako, based sa experience ko, mas maganda kung may experience ka na. Pag sinabing experience, hindi naman kailangan online experience. Kung meron ka ng experience sa corporate world before, like related sa accounting, alam mo yung debits and credits, alam mo yung negative, positive, then pwede yun. Makukonsider na siyang experience, okay? Pero halimbawa kasi ganito, depende rin yan sa magiging target market mo. For example, ang mga target mo is mga business owner. Siyempre, i-hire ka ng kliyente para gawin yung pagre-record ng mga transactions sa kanila. So, siyempre, ang hahanapin ni client, yung may experience. Pero for example, merong mga accounting firm, bookkeeping firm, or consulting firm na nagtitrain. Merong mga ganon na parang, okay, si applicant merong konting knowledge sa accounting or sa bookkeeping. Ang kulang lang sa kanya is yung parang how to navigate the software. So, pwede pa rin yung ma-hire kahit limited yung kanyang experience as long as si client ay gustong mag-train. Pero, syempre, kung tayo, yung as a freelancer, mas gugustuhin na natin na once na mag-apply tayo dun sa job, meron na tayong konting idea how to use the software. Kasi pag sinabing bookkeeper, hindi ibig sabihin kailangan accountancy graduate ka. Pag bookkeeper, hindi kailangan na CPA ka. Okay? Kahit hindi ako CPA, pwede pa rin ako mag-handle ng bookkeeping task kasi iba si bookkeeper, iba si accountant, iba si CPA.
I agree with you din, no, Kaji, na as a freelancer, it's also our responsibility to know yung mga tasks or responsibilities natin dun sa applyan nating trabaho. Di ba? Sabi nga nila, lamang ang may alam. So, if before we
Yes.
apply, it's better, di ba, na we can, do our research. Parang yun yung part natin, to do our research. Ano ba yung mga usual tasks, tools na ginagamit as a bookkeeper, or kung ano man yung ina-applyan ng ating mga viewers. Another question is, kasi for sure may mga magtatanong na kung pwede ba yung phone, kung anong devices yung pwede. So for technical requirements, required ba ang laptop or pwede rin ba to sa phone? And like for internet, meron bang specific required internet connection or speed or device specifications?
Pagdating sa devices na kailangan or sa equipment, syempre kailangan natin laptop. Hindi pwede ang cellphone. Kasi as much as possible, gusto mong mag-deliver ng quality results sa mga client mo. So if you're using cellphone, mahirap mag-navigate. Then syempre kailangan natin ng internet. And then, pagdating naman sa Mbps, wala namang requirements kung ilan, kung gaano kataas, as long as mabilis yung work mo. Okay? And then, syempre, mas maganda kung meron kang parang working space na magiging relax ka.
Usually for stable jobs naman, kailangan talaga natin ng laptop, no? Pero for beginners, yan din yung main problem ng iba kasi they don't have access to any laptop or computer. So yung mga ganyan, I think pwede naman natin paraanan yan like borrowing a laptop from your friend or family member or relative and then mag-ipon ka. Then pag nakapag-ipon ka na, di ba, you can invest on your own laptop na gagamitin mo on your freelancing career.
Exactly.
Di ba? Can you share with us then ano yung mga usual tools na ginagamit mo as a bookkeeper para naman may idea na yung mga interested on this job?
Okay, pagdating sa pagbo-bookkeeping, ang common na ginagamit ng isang bookkeeper is yung tinatawag nating accounting software na Xero or QuickBooks. Kapag yung mga client mo ay nasa US, so QuickBooks yung madalas na ginagamit nila, okay? Pero yung Xero, like Asia, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, yan, Xero yung ginagamit nila. Canada, ayan. Meron tayong tinatawag na A2X, Link My Books, HubDoc, and then Receipt Bank or Dex na ngayon, katulad ni Kaji na ikaw ay gustong maging e-commerce bookkeeper, then dapat marunong kang mag-navigate ng Amazon Seller Central and Shopify.
Thank you for sharing those tools, no? Kasi gusto ko rin na maging aware yung mga viewers natin. Ngayon, we would like to ask din, saan ba kami pwede mag-apply or yung mga viewers natin, saan ba sila pwedeng mag-apply as a bookkeeper or makahanap ng client?
Kapag online clients, madalas yung sa akin nakukuha ko siya sa onlinejobs.ph or sa virtualstaff.ph. And meron din akong isang client sa free app. Aside from the three na nabanggit ko, meron tayong tinatawag na Upwork. Pero sa Upwork kasi napakalaki yung competition dyan. So, mahirap makakuha ng client. Pero kung syempre, kung alam mo na kung paano nag-work si Upwork, madali na yan. And then, meron din tayong tinatawag na Fiverr. Pwede ka rin sa LinkedIn, pwede rin sa Facebook. Pero kahit hindi ganun kalaki yung competition pagdating sa pag-kukuha ng client, mahirap pa rin makakuha ng client. Especially kung super generic yung application na sinesend mo, as in maiitsapwera ka kaagad ng mga kliyente mo or ng mga prospect clients mo. So make sure na kapag nagsisend kayo ng application, make sure to read the job post. Meron kasi minsan doon mga hint, mga parang hidden words na kailangan itatype mo, di ba? O kaya naman merong specific instruction how to apply for the job. Kung hindi mo babasahin yun, so wala ka na.
Nag-agree din ako dyan na there are really job posts na may specific instructions. Yung iba nga may hidden questions. What's your favorite color? Include it in your cover letter. Or add this specific word to your cover letter. So, tas minsan naman sa online jobs, no? Sa onlinejobs.ph, hindi sila magpapa-apply sa mismong online jobs. Kailangan mong mag-send ng email.
Yes.
Pag hindi mo na-follow yung mga instruction na yan, talagang kahit gano'n ka kagaling, wala ka na. We have another question for you and I hope na it's okay to answer this. But if not, it's fine. The question is actually, how much are you currently earning as a bookkeeper? So you mentioned you have multiple clients.
Kapag multiple clients ka, mas marami yung kikitain mo. Pero when I started sa pagiging freelance bookkeeper, yung first salary ko as a bookkeeper, nag-start siya sa 20K, isang client, okay? And then, nung nakita ko na okay, kaya pa naman ng time ko, yung time na naghanap ako ng mga multiple clients. And then, nung dumami na dumami yung clients ko, yung from 5 digit, naging 6 digits siya. So, kung nag-start ako dati sa 20, sabihin, lagyan natin ng, basta, ano na siya, 6 digits na siya ngayon. So, ayun, yun, sana
Wow,
lumaki pa.
grabe. Grabe, 6-digit income per month, guys. So yan, ang laki ng potential income talaga dito as a bookkeeper.
Alam mo, RJ, meron akong isang, parang nag-enroll siya sa course ko. Ngayon, nag-earn na din siya ng 6 digits.
So meron ka palang courses online. Paano ba magre-register dyan yung ating mga viewers na interested to know more about this?
To know more about my course na ino-offer ko, so yung course ko kasi is tatlo siya, pero lahat sila is bookkeeping. So isa para sa Xero, isa sa QuickBooks, and yung isa naman is bundle, combination ng Xero at saka QuickBooks. You can visit the link dito sa description.
Ayan guys, so meron siyang ino-offer na course about tools na ginagamit sa bookkeeping and more info about bookkeeping. So please make sure to get to check the link down the description. So I think na sobrang dami na ng information na na-share sa atin ni Kaji today and all of this are super helpful even for me. Di ba sobrang saya lang na yung ginagawa mo is what you love and then at the same time you're earning from it. Di ba? Parang it just feels great. Ano ba yung masasabi mo or final message mo sa ating viewers na still talagang nahihirapan maghanap ng clients or para dun din sa mga magiging interested to find an online bookkeeping job?
Okay, so for sure, marami sa mga nanonood ng video na to is yung parang nasa situation sila na okay, ayaw kong i-consider si freelancing, ayaw ko mag-work online, boring, o kaya naman merong mga nanonood na parang okay, gustong-gusto ko pero hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-start. Meron namang nanonood din syempre na parang ang tagal ko na naghahanap pero wala akong makita. So lahat yung stages na yan is napagdaanan din ni Kaji. So dati ayaw ko din ng online, parang ay boring na sa bahay. Pero nung nakita mo na, ay okay pala yung kinikita, then yun parang okay, so go na. So ngayon guys, kapag nag-a-apply talaga kayo, maraming beses na mafe-fail kayo, ma-reject kayo, and rejection is part dito sa journey na to. Kung yung rejection na yun is iti-take mo as negative, na parang, ano bang mali sa akin? Walang nag-hire sa akin. Siguro may something wrong sa skills ko, sa personality ko. Hindi siya ganun guys, okay? So meron lang talaga ng mga employer na hindi kayo magmamatch. So, apply ka lang ng apply and then later on, makikita mo na yung parang ideal client mo. Try And then, kailangan meron kang belief sa sarili mo. Kasi kung hindi ka bibilib sa sarili mo, paano pa bibilib sa ibang tao? Okay? So, ganun lang. Trust, and then take action, believe in yourself, you can do it.
Thank you so much for the words of encouragement for our viewers. Kasi kailangan nila yan, lalo na dun sa mga nakaka-experience ng rejections from clients. Guys, that's really part of being a freelancer. Kung hindi ka dumaan sa rejection, then lucky for you, di ba? Kasi sobrang galing mo siguro, ganyan. Kasi even I personally, I experienced rejections from other clients too. But right now, I'm happy with what I'm earning, with what I'm doing, also part of
O,
e-commerce.
diba?
I really appreciate Kaji being with us today, guys. And sobrang dami naman yung na-share na information. And thank you for sharing all of your thoughts, ideas, and information on how we can be a bookkeeper online.
Thank you, RJ, and thank you sa lahat ng nanonood ng video na to. And kung replay man or after a year nyo pa ito mapanood, okay lang. So, once na mapanood nyo na to, tandaan nyo, maybe it's a sign from the universe to start your freelancing career. And sana, makamit nyo din yung goals nyo in life. Tsaga lang talaga, and soon ma-achieve nyo yan. Thank you.
So there you go, guys. Those are the information that we would like to share with you today, of course, with the help of Miss Kaji. And I hope na nakatulong to sa ating mga viewers. If you have any questions about bookkeeping, kung paano ba to nag-work, kung paano mo ba to magiging online job, I hope na nakatulong tong video na to answer those questions. If you want to know more about detailed information sa pagiging isang bookkeeper online, you can visit, of course, Miss Kaji's YouTube channel. So that is it for today's video, guys. Again, guys, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are new here on my channel, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell para updated ka every time mag-upload tayo ng bagong video about work from home and earn from home tips. And if you have any questions, reactions, content suggestions, guys, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you again in our next videos. Bye!